Hello everyone. So today also we are going to continue with improving the parry system. So here we are going to work on how to give some more visual feedback on the parrying and damage done during the parrying. So here let me do the parrying. You can see the health bar appears on the damaged character so that we can see how much damage it receives. And also if you pay attention to the dodge and dodge and parry buttons that appears in the UI when it is time to the parrying or dodging, you see there is some feedback on the buttons as well, like blinking the button that you press and another one is faded out. See that? So yeah, those are the things we are going to work on today. Improving visual feedback on the parry system. Alright. Right, so before we get started, let me remind you that the full playlist of this project is available for free in my channel. Everything is implemented from scratch and explained. You can follow these episodes and implement everything by yourself. And also, if you choose to become a member, you can access the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects I have done in my channel. To the date, there are over 2000 videos. For each video, project files are available. So feel free to check it out. I'll leave links to everything in description below. Right, now let's get started with today's episode. Alright, so this is what we worked on so far in the as of the previous episode. We implemented this parry mechanism. Here, let me show you. Yeah, that's the parry. So now what I want to do is I need to see the reducing of the health level of the parried target. So for that, how should we do that? Let me open the parry ability, GA parry. Right. So here we can, this is the target enemy. So we can, if we want, we can trigger the showing of the health bar. There is a function for that in the UI. If you go to the main HUD, as I remember, yeah, match HUD, yeah, I think here we added show health bar of character function. This, using this function, we can show the health bar of NPCs in the screen, on screen health bars. Yeah, but so far what we did is directly accessing this function by getting a reference to the HUD and then getting the match HUD. Let me see the references and see how we have used it. Yeah, like this. So here we directly call show health bar. For that we need a reference to the match HUD, which we did, which we get this way. Yeah, this way. But I don't want to do that. I want to set up a gameplay message based system. So for that, this is CLM based character. Okay, let's go to the event graph. Oh, here we have this message already. So under HUD NPC health bar, we already have clear. Oh, let me add another sub tag. Show. Now here I'll listen to this. Not the clear all. this partial message, and I'll set this to partial match. And then the actual channel, we can run a switch. Let's add 2 pins. Case 1 should be hard NPC clear all, and the case 2 should be hard NPC healthbar show. Now clear all should go here. It should be coming from here. And the other one, show. So here from the payload, we break, and I'll get this instigator cast to CLM base character. If yes, I can call this show healthbar of character like this. Okay, now from my parry, this is where I react to the attack. Yeah, let's get gameplay message subsystem and broadcast message. And the message should be what NPC healthbar show. Here let's create generic message, and as the instigator I'll pass this target enemy. Now at the end, let's say on ability end, event on ability, on end ability, I'll make the call. I'll call the parent function as well, event as well, in case we have something there. But what I need to now do is again get gameplay message subsystem, broadcast message. So here I just need to broadcast that HUD and PC healthbar clear all. I just need to clear the healthbar that I just added. Let's make generic message, but I don't really need to pass anything here. Alright, now let's see if that works. Yeah, see, we got the healthbar. One thing I noticed, I feel like the delay is a bit too much before jumping back. Guess, best attack. Yeah, maybe this could be just 1 second. Let's see. That's enough. But if you want a little bit more, Okay. What's next? I think I need to blink this in the parry or dodge screen. I need to blink the buttons that I press. So here if I press parry, the parry button should blink. So to do that, here, enemy attack. You can do this. And this IAB, B means dodge. Blink button. And the other one should be faded. Parry should be faded. And when I do the parry, the opposite. Dodge should be faded. And parry should be blinked. See? First I'm gonna do a dodgy. See? Dodge went away. Dodge was blinked. Parry. Okay. So yeah, so maybe after a while we need to hide the parry as well because both actions are disabled once we activate one of them. So that means let's have a delay. 5 seconds. Wait. Wait. Okay, let's try. Yeah, let's try Doji. Yeah. Okay. That's all I want to cover in this episode. So maybe in the next time, let's work on how to show some damage numbers, like numbers that go up from character that shows the amount of damage taken. That should give work as some more visual feedback on the damage. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.